So in this video I want to show you how to pair Hoco Cat Ear with Android smartphone. To do this, first we'll need to find the power button, which is located on the left headphone right here. Now click and hold that button for a few seconds until you hear that the power is on, and there will also be notification that the Bluetooth connection is enabled. Then we can pick up our smartphone, enter the Bluetooth settings, usually by opening your notification bar like this, and then power it on. Now we can scroll down and look for available devices. And here's our headset. We can click on it to pair it with our smartphone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.